Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to go and pick up a new shitbox. It's perfect shitbox buying weather. It's absolutely heaving down with rain. It's absolutely horrible, but we're on the way to Stratford-upon-Avon now to go and pick up Owen's new project car. Obviously there's going to be loads of videos about it on the channel, so we thought we'd take you to go and pick it up. So yeah, we've got a 2-hour drive now to go and see it, and put it this way, it's coming home on a trailer. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. So we're about 50 minutes away. There's been really heavy traffic on the M6 today, so we managed to jump off at Warsaw and get around it. We're on the M5 now, just going past Dudley. So we're not too far now. The rain, as you can see now, is absolutely torrential. So yeah, the driving conditions aren't the best, but it's all worth it, and we'll show you soon what car we're picking up. So there's some serious accidents going on today. We've seen one rolled over car where there was no police or ambulance or anything there. There was a Mercedes that had done a 180 on the opposite side of the road, had no front end at all, and I couldn't see if there was anyone in there. The ambulance was with them guys, but we've just passed some people that were basically upside down in a tree. So obviously I hope they're all right. I can see there's they look like police or ambulance heading back down now, but yeah, it's on the M5. It's so slippy. You can feel the car going out from underneath us, even you know, over on our side of the road. We're only doing 50, so yeah, it's a bit of a horrible day, but hopefully we'll put a nice twist on it at about 8 minutes past 6. So we're gonna keep going. So I know we're selling a Legacy, but I still love Subarus, and that's the engine I did want to put in it, but not today. And that's Owen's unnamed car's ride home. In front, a trailer. Right then, so we are 2 whole minutes away, 0.5 miles away from picking up said vehicle. I'm gonna try and record the reaction. I should have bought more cameras, but there we go. I'm gonna try and record the reaction and maybe show you what we're getting now. You might have to wait till we get home. Not that it matters to you, because in editing world it'll take a minute. So there we go. So just to confirm, this car does drive.
Yeah.
It runs, it's fine, just doesn't have an MOT for some obvious reasons, which we'll obviously go through, you know us, but we'll go through them. It hasn't had an MOT in 5 odd years, 6 years now, but that's going to change at some point. So we're pulling in now. Let's have a look. I can see a nice 200.
There it is. It's behind the tree.
I see it.
It's behind the tree.
Look at the eyes 200 as well.
It's under a cover. Legend!
Yes!
There she is. There she is.
So we're just waiting for the guy to come and meet us now. We've been here for about 5 minutes, but we've likened it to waiting on Christmas Day to open your presents.
Oh my god. It feels like I've been waiting a year sat here just I'm looking straight at the car, and I can't do anything because I've got to wait for all the paperwork and the guy to come over. But like, it's the fact that you see something but you know you can't get it until somebody comes and tells you can have it. It's just, I'm too excited.
The worst bit is the wind keeps blowing the cover that's on it up, so and it means we get a bit of a sneak peek of it every so often. But yeah, hopefully we shouldn't be too much longer now. He's here. It is all going on. So the woman that we thought was coming to give us the car essentially was basically coming out to see like who the hell we were. So we're on like private land and there's a lot of it. And she basically come out to see like who we were. And she basically just told Owen's dad off for parking a van and a trailer at the end of her driveway. But we're sorting that out and hopefully we'll be getting the car very soon. Also, PS, got no glasses on today. Can't see a lot of stuff. And I've got a really bad headache, but basically I was just cleaning my glasses and I snapped them in half. So I've got some new ones on order, but you'll have to put with me like this for today. And maybe even the next video. Oh my god! Lad, she's loud! Do a burnout! I guess so, yeah. It doesn't look very wet or damp or anything. Right then, Owen.
I have just bought a 1.8 1994 Mazda MX5.
Yeah!
Oh my god!
Yeah, boy!
And there is a lot of things already on it. It's already decatted, already got low and spring size coilovers. It's already a 4-to-1 manifold. It's got an LSD already in it. There is a lot of bad things with it. There's a lot of things I need to work on, but it's part of this. It's all content for you guys. So, right, let's get home. We'll show you more videos of it, and yeah, oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, but let's go!
So as Owen said, obviously we picked up the MX5 there. It's the 1.8 version. They had a really nice import UNOS MX5 here as well. The lad we bought it off, 17-year-old lad, he's basically done it all up himself. There wasn't much wrong with it, but he's been polishing it, like cleaning it and sorting out the few little issues it has had. But really clean example. We're planning to hopefully meet up with him and go to Cafe in the Machine at some point. But Henry, if you're out there, cheers for the MX5.
Thank you very much for the MX5.
And
sure I'll get it back on its feet.
Yeah, and hopefully we'll obviously see you at Cafe in the Machine or another sort of meet. But yeah, as you said, it's home time now. We've got a few spares in the back. We'll show you all them. But yeah, really excited to kick off this project and something new. So we're just in the petrol station on the way home. Really happy for Owen. I know he's going to do an absolute madness with this car. I mean, together we'll work through it and we'll have a really solid, hopefully solid MX5. It's going to take us a while, but we'll get there. We'll power through it, and we'll get it up and running tidy and looking nice. I mean, it runs and drives no problem. The guys there, he was absolutely sound. He said, the only issue with it is that it doesn't have an MOT because it's rusty. So, we're going to put the effort in and the time and the money in and fix that out. But yeah, really happy for Owen. You can see he's really made up over it. And that's what it's all about, supporting your mates and making sure they're happy. So yeah, let's make some wicked videos with it.
What? When they pop up? No. Do they actually come on though? What? The back?
That one works. Well done, you got one brake light.
One back light.
Fucking hell.
One reverse light.
Oh!
No reverse here. Go on, Ed. Go on. Go on, you have to put your foot down.
That is shit. Parking it next to its Japanese counterpart.
I can't see, I ain't got a wing around.
Yep. Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'd bring her forward and put her next to the Lexus.
Hey?
I'd bring her forward and put her next to get her close into the Lexus. It's not as bad as I thought for a D-Cat. His wing. Smells like shit books. So the MX5's back. Owen's going to give you a quick tour of the MX5. So,
Right.
you want to do the honours? Do you want to use your light?
Right,
Because it's dark.
We'll start off. It is the 1.8 litre, the 130 brake one. There was a few little bits on it already. You see air filter and that. But other than that, this will all be changed and it'll all be done later on. The Mark 1, so I've got the pop-ups. I'll just show you now. So, yeah, that's the only reason I wanted the Mark 1 other than the Mark 2, because of the pop-ups, because they're a lot better. At the minute it's on lowering springs. As you can see, I don't know if you can see them now, but it's on lowering springs. There's a few bits that it needs. As you can see, there's a wing that it needs within it. Need paint, soft top, as well. Other than that, it's a project. What can you say? It's a project, but it's going to be good. It's going to be good.
So, as Owen said, it is a big project. We're going to work through it and get it sorted. We're going to obviously try and release videos as and when we can. Don't worry, it's not going to be back-to-back MX5. We're going to be doing some mini stuff. The Mini's MOT is coming up soon, so we're going to definitely be doing stuff. There's another new car coming to the channel, which will, by the time you've seen this, already be in my possession. We would have made a first video about it, but this is the first video on the MX5. We're going to do the same thing for the new car. I nearly said what it was. We're going to do the same thing for the new car, and we'll bring any videos about that to you guys. So from me and Owen, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit subscribe and like, so you can stay up to date with the MX5 project. Make sure you go and check out my website, www.grindinggears.uk. Grab yourself a sticker. I ship them all over the world. Send me a photo of your sticker on your car and I'll repost it on Instagram. We need to get one on the MX5 at some point. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.